The rule of 72 is simple. The number 72, divided by 7, equals 10 years for money to double. At 1% the money will take 72 years to double. Most banks don't even pay you 1%. The average interest rate that someone gets at the bank is between 0.0025% and 0.003%. At that rate, it would take roughly 288 years for your money to double. So if we don't have 288 years to wait until our money doubles, and none of us do, one of the most important things that we should be looking at when we're learning about where to put our money is what is the rate of return, or the interest rate. Now, generally speaking, rate of return is securities, and we're not talking about securities today. Today we're talking about interest rate, which is a financial literacy concept, and fixed investments tend to be a safer and sometimes less complex option. When we look at why learning the rule of 72 is important to us, it is not only that the famous thinker, Einstein, made this discovery, but the US government uses it and teaches it as one of the best and easiest ways to understand compounding interest. At a 4% interest rate, the money will double every 18 years. At a 6% interest rate, the money will double every 12 years. At a 10% interest rate, the money will double every 7 years. So given that it doesn't take much to make a big shift in how fast this money could grow, this seems like a good thing for everyone to be aware of before they need to make decisions about money.